Hello everybody. So I am coming to you with part 2 of my Earthborn Organics partnership with part 2 of my Earthborn Organics partnership. So this is just a wash day tutorial to show you guys using the other 3 products. Now there was the deep conditioner I used in the previous video as well, but I figured it just made sense to use it in this video too, since it is just a wash day tutorial. So I just want to show you. So the 2 main products that I'm using in here that was not in the other video was another shampoo, which is an aloe curl cleanser. And this is how the consistency looks. I will pop in a video too to show you. And also the aloe leave-in conditioner. Again, I'll have videos showing you the consistency of everything. But that is what it is in my hair right now, the leave-in conditioner. I am about to style. I usually have to act fast before my hair soaks up everything. But I wanted to show you guys my curls in action and how it looks, just juicy, and it's holding on to the product really well. I honestly love all of her products in this crown kit. Like, my hair just feels amazing. It makes it easier to wash. Who doesn't want an easy wash day? My hair feels moisturized. It doesn't feel stripped. My scalp feels clean. All of the above. So enjoy this video of curl poppage and let me know what you guys think. If you've ever tried this brand before, if you want to try this brand, let me know and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the aloe curl cleanser, applying it directly to my scalp. So I make sure that I usually work a shampoo product in my scalp first and then travel it down. The main ingredient in this product is aloe vera gel. It promotes hair growth, conditions hair, reduces dandruff, and repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. I loved it because when I initially looked at it, I thought it was something that you would put in your hair and it would just rinse out, but it does suds up, which is awesome. So as you can see, my curls are nice and shiny. My scalp is super clean. I loved it. It was very lightweight. It smelled amazing. Just another amazing product. Definitely going to be a staple of mine. Definitely brings the curl definition out as well. And yeah, pretty much all I have to say about that product. It's pretty awesome. And now we have the Camellia conditioning mask. If you did watch part 1 of my tutorial, I did use this deep conditioning mask as well in that video and I had to use it again. It's so amazing. So in that video I did explain the ingredients, but just to kind of highlight again, the camellia oil, it's amazing for sealing and moisture, and that's exactly how my hair felt. It felt moisturized and hydrated. My curls felt amazing. It didn't feel cracky, or I was able to detangle my hair without using a comb, which is a huge thing for me because I got a lot of hair. But I love this deep conditioning mask so much. It's definitely in my top 5 and y'all need it too. And now we have the Aloe leave-in conditioner, which contains aloe vera butter, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, and aloe vera gel. So the aloe butter has all the properties of aloe vera gel. including hydration, soothing, and anti-inflammatory properties. As you can see, it melted right into my curls, definitely got instant hydration. All three of these products together in my wash day was super bomb. My hair felt super amazing, and I just love Earthborn Organics, guys. You need to grab you some. If you haven't seen part 1 of my tutorials, definitely check it out to see the rest of her products, and I will see you guys in the next video.